In front of me is POCO M6 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. All you need to do is open Settings and scroll all the way down to Access Additional Settings. Then select one-handed mode and click on gray switcher next to it to activate it. As you can see, one-handed mode is on. If you wish to use it, follow all of those instructions. Turn on one-handed mode by swiping left or right from the center of the navigation panel. So when I do that, as you can see, one-handed mode is now activated. To go back to the standard screen, click on this area at the top, or simply swipe up. If you want to disable this feature, use the same no blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!